So I don't have a bias for today. Yeah, the market could go up or the market could go down. Usually I'll pay attention to this change up here, and you can see that we're down almost 1%, which would give me a bias to the downside. But I've also done analysis on the higher time frames, and we're at a zone here where it could reverse. So I'm not going to go too deep into analysis today. I'm just going to set a long position and a short position and hope for the best. But yeah, we're coming off of 5 winning days. You can see here the levels that we've been marking out. See this level here. So typically I would have entered a short here, but because I've been doing so well just with the New York Open alone, I've not been trading pre-open or even post-open. There's no point when you're doing so well during the actual New York Open. So we're just trading the first 2 minutes of the New York Open, and that's it. 2 minutes and done. And until we start seeing any losses or any days where we don't get trades multiple days in a row, we're going to just stick with that. So there's no point in giving any money back. There's no point in trading our usual, break of a level or sweep of a level. There's no point in doing that when you're getting 3 to 4-1 trades 5 days in a row, and it's taking you only 2 minutes to get it. Then it goes without saying you don't need to be over analysing all this, and we will if we don't get opportunities or if we have some losses. Then we'll come back to these levels and trade pre-open and post-open. So for me, pre-open is 90 minutes before New York opens. So in the UK that's 1 PM. In Eastern Standard Time that would be 8 AM. And then we trade 90 minutes after the open. So that would be 4 PM in the UK. That would be maybe 10 AM. No, sorry, 11 AM Eastern Standard Time. So, but we've been finding lots of success here just in this initial surge on the initial open. So why change? Okay, time to go down to the 2 minute. Okay. So you can see here I've got my level. These are my own indicators, these levels. Also this is my indicator as well. So it's showing you here that there's a lot of bullish. So we're down on the day, and everything would be telling me that go short on the open. But we've got this, and we're also at a fib retracement level as well. So it could retrace, it could bounce here at the open, bounce up. So that's why I've got a long and a short position, because I've got reasons for both. Most of the times, if we are, let's say we're down 1% from the midnight price, then we're probably only looking at shorts, unless we can get some other confirmations that's telling us there could be a bounce. Then we'll just have the short position. So the last 5 days, actually this is the 6th day trading, so yeah, so that I've had a long and short position 3 days, and I've had a long position only or a short position only for 3 days. So we're just getting ready to set this up. So I want that as close up here. So we are 2.5 minutes from open. just going to adjust these as we go, don't need to be exact. I'm just going to close off all the noise just now. Okay, we'll switch back to the 15 minutes, just a second. So I can see we're outside the session volume profile as well. Okay. So this could potentially come back up to point of control. Let's go back down to 2 minutes and get ready for this. Let's get ready. So what I'm doing here is I'm lining my top of the box, I'm trying to leave like a 25%. You can never get it exact, but try to get 25% off the top here. So that's me just about ready to place these orders. And 45 seconds. Right, so let's go. Buy. Stop loss here. TP here. Buy. And let's go. Sell. Stop loss here. TP here. Sell. 20 seconds to open. I'm just going to move that up a little bit. Two seconds to open. Let's see if we get tapped in. If we get tapped in, we need to close the other one. So that's us, we're in. Cancel this order, and then we walk away. Don't touch it. There we go. Done. A win! A win! $400 I think that was there just with that move. Easy money. That's 6 days in a row I've done this. I sat down at my charts at probably about 220 today, 220, and it's now 2:30. We're not even a minute into the market, and I'm done.